Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nisrina Nur Azizah. I will present my final project proposal entitled The Application of the Activity-Based Costing Method in Determining the Price of Hotel Room X 2020. In my presentation, I will divide into 6 parts. The first is the background, the second is the formulation of the problem, the third is literature review, the fourth is purpose and benefit, the fifth is research method, and the sixth part is activity schedule. The first part is the background. The number of services companies, especially hotel, has resulted in increasingly tight competition between hotels. The success in winning the competition is determined by several things, one of which in the accurate determination of the cost of hotel rooms. Hotel X is a 3-star hotel that provides lodging services for tourists visiting Kebumen Regency. But Hotel X has problems in determining the cost of renting a room. Hotel X uses the policies adopted by the hotel. The determination of the cost of goods doesn't reflect certain activities, so the room rental rates are less accurate. Then, the activity-based costing method is very effective in determining the room rate for Hotel X. The second part is the formulation of the problem. Based on the background, the formulation of the problem is how to calculate the hotel room rental using the activity-based costing method at Hotel X 2020, and how to compare the hotel room rental rates using the activity-based costing method and rates set by Hotel X in 2020. The third part is literature review. 1. Definition cost of goods sold. According to Mulyadi 2010 in Suryanto et al. 2020, page 53, the cost of production is all costs incurred to produce a good or service during the period concerned. Definition cost of production by activity-based costing method. Hassan and Mowen 2012 in Novel Lestari et al. 2019, page 48. Explain that activity-based costing method is a system of accumulating cost and charging cost to product using the various cost drivers, carried out by tracing the cost of the activity and after tracing the cost of the product activity. Next, stages of costing in activity-based costing method. In the first stage, determining the cost of goods based on activities, there are 4 steps including activity identification, similar grouping by activities and costs, determination of the pool fees, and calculation of the pool rate. In the second stage, every activity cost in each pool are charged to the product. The fourth is the purpose and benefit. As for the purpose of this research is know the hotel room rental rates by using the activity-based costing method in 2020 and compare the hotel room rental rates with the activity-based costing method and rates set by Hotel X in 2020. While the benefits are contribution to accounting, hope that it can be used as a reference for further research. And the last benefits is can improve the previous research. The fifth is research method. The first is data classification. 1. Types of data according to their nature. In the preparation of my final project, qualitative data that I needed include overview and history of Hotel X, vision and mission, and organizational structure. Meanwhile, the quantitative data contains the number of room used, the number of available rooms, the size of the room, and the cost incurred during 2020. Furthermore, the type of data according to the search are primary data and secondary data. In preparation of my final project, primary data were obtained from the direct interview with the management of Hotel X. Secondary data were obtained from documentation data of various written accounting information and situation of the company. Next is data collection method. Data collection will be carried out by interview with management of Hotel X, and observation are made by observing what activities at Hotel X in 2020. Next, data processing and analysis technique. Analysis method used in this research is the comparative analysis method. By comparing the hotel room rental rates set by Hotel X and calculation of the hotel room rental rates using activity-based costing method. The next, writing technique. The writing technique used in the preparation of my final project are description and comparative. The preparation of my final project uses description method to describe an overview and history of Hotel X, which includes company profile and organizational structure. This comparative writing is used to explain the result of calculation and comparison of the hotel room rental rates between the rates set by Hotel X and rates by using the activity-based costing method. The last part is activity schedule. I will carry out research from May to July 2021. In May, submission of the title of the final project and data collection. In June, data analysis and processing and writing discussion. In July, preparation of draft and writing article. That's all for the presentation for me. If there is a wrong word, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.